When we speak about self-sufficiency, it always comes to this point where you have to always think about food. Of course, naturally, food is important. We're about to bring this palm nut down. See it? It's going to come down. There's already one down. That makes 2 for the day for lunch. Praise God for giving us this palm tree. Free food.